Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Sunday, 8 February 2026. The Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 4, number 9, number 13, number 28, number 32. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction number: repeat, number 4, number 9, number 13, number 28, number 32. Now a Daily Lotto second prediction numbers: number 5, number 10, number 18, number 31, number 35. Today's Daily Lotto second prediction number: repeat, number 5, number 10, number 18, number 31, number 38. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please like my video.